In today's video, I would like to talk with all of you about something called a spouse visa and the steps involved in the process. The spouse visa is also referred to as a CR1, an IR1, or consular processing. And so I want to make sure we're all on the same page by giving that disclaimer, but I'm going to refer to it as a spouse visa. And so before I dive into the steps involved in a spouse visa, I would like to quickly introduce myself and my firm. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana for the immigration firm for couples. We are dedicated exclusively to representing couples in navigating the US immigration process, and we represent couples all over the nation and all over the world. So let's dive into the steps that are involved in a spouse visa case. So there's a lot of steps that could be involved, a lot of nuances. Immigration law is complicated, but I always like to break things down into main steps. And so I've broken this down into the three main steps that are involved in a spouse visa. Step one is the petition. And the petition is also referred to as an I-130 application, but this is where you show immigration with evidence of photos and letters of support and many other things that you have a real relationship with your spouse, a real relationship based on love and not to receive, or not just to receive an immigration benefit rather. And so once you file that petition and once it's been approved, then step two is what is referred to as the National Visa Center or NVC phase of the case. And this is where you submit all of your civil documents, birth certificates, marriage license. There's a long list of things along with financial documents of the petitioner, the United States citizen or lawful permanent resident petitioner. And once all of those documents have been collected, the National Visa Center will let you know, thanks so much, you've turned everything in. When an interview is available, then we will notify you. And so step three is the interview phase of the case. And the interview will occur abroad, typically in the country of origin of the immigrant. And at this interview, you'll be completing a medical exam before a fingerprint appointment. And at the interview, they will also ask you questions about your immigration history and your relationship. And so I know that was a ton of information. And as I mentioned, immigration law is complicated. There's a lot of nuances. And depending on your case type, there may be other steps. But in general, those are the three main steps. And if you'd like to see this all written out and have a refresher, we have a free downloadable chart on our website, Immigration for Couples, where you can download all of this information. And we also have a free webinar that goes into more detail about options available to couples who are engaged, are married, and needing to navigate the immigration process. Thanks for watching.